Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you this look right here. I haven't posted a tutorial in a while, but yeah, I have this tutorial for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So the palette I'm going to be taking for this video is the Muerte palette by Melt Cosmetics. The first shade I'm going to be taking is the shade called Lágrimas, and I'm just using a fluffy brush and I'm just applying that in my crease. This is just our base color, and as you can see there, I am kind of flicking it out as well. I really enjoyed this shade. I thought the pigmentation was really nice as well. If you have this palette, definitely pull it out. I think the color scheme in here is beautiful. So the next shade that I was applying in my crease is the shade called Duelo. It's the dark teal shade in this palette. And I just took like a really precise crease brush. This one is by e.l.f. And I do enjoy this brush. I think it does a really good job to apply color into my crease, and it's really small and precise. So I am just going with a little bit at a time. I did notice a little bit of skipping with this shade, so I was just going back and forth into that shade to be able to apply it where I saw some skipping. And then I also did kind of flick it out on the end there, so when I cut my crease I was able to kind of have that flick at the end. Next up, we'll be cutting our crease. This brush I'm using is by Sigma. It's an actual cut crease brush. I'll put the name on the screen of what the brush name is. I really enjoyed it. I just went in with concealer to cut my crease, and I think this brush does a really good job. It kind of has like a round end to one of the sides, and then you can kind of see how it's flat on one side. I do have an affiliate code with them if you guys want to get 10% off. I believe it's Makeup W Mariela, and yeah, that'll be linked down below. And then I just went in with a flat shader brush, and I just kind of went onto my crease to deepen up that crease. Again, I went in with the shade Duelo, which is the dark teal. Sometimes when you cut the crease, you kind of get rid of some of the deeper shade that you applied, so I'm just kind of reapplying it here. Next up, I'm going to go in with shimmer on my lid. I'm taking the shade called Angelito in this palette. It's the first shade in this palette, and I'm just taking a small shader brush and just packing it onto my lids. You can wet this brush, but I didn't. I just went straight from the palette onto my lids, and I thought it was a pretty good color and it was really beautiful. You also want to remember to kind of apply that shimmer shade on the outer part. Now I'm just taking a really small precise brush and again just perfecting the crease, adding more depth to this look. Just went in with Duelo, which was the dark teal. Just took my fluffy brush and covered my eye so you guys can't see what I'm doing. But took a fluffy brush and kind of made sure everything was blended, and now I went back into that e.l.f. crease brush and just reapplying it again. I want to make sure that that Duelo shade is really prominent and you can really tell it's a cut crease. So I'm going to be taking these e.l.f. like strips. They are for like to do like precise eyeshadow or wing liner like I'm going to be doing here. I did cut mine in half because they're pretty long and one strip will help you with both eyes. So I would recommend you guys cutting yours in half if you have these, or if you want to pick them up, or when you do pick them up. I recommend cutting them in half and then they'll last longer. So I'm just going in with the shade Duelo with this flat shader brush, and I'm just doing like a wing liner with the powder, the eyeshadow. And as you can see, I'm just going on my lids right there really close to my lash line, and then I'm winging it out on the outer corner, and with that tape it's just really going to give you that really defined liner that you can cut someone with. Next up, I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel in the shade Distortion. And this is a chunky glitter, and I wanted to add some glitter to this look, so I just went in with this. It is a gel, so you don't really need to apply a glitter glue. You can just go straight in from the brush to your lids. So what I did there was just apply it kind of in the inner part and kind of just dragged it to the end of my cut crease there. I really like this glitter. They have multiple glitter gels. They are on the pricier side because they are Urban Decay, but I think they're super nice. I kind of want to try out the ColourPop ones that are in the pots. Have you guys tried those out? What do you think of those? But for right now, this is all I have and I wanted to use it. This color has like green gold reflex to it, so I thought it was perfect for this look. So this is all I do. After this, I just apply my lashes, which I do take the Tati lashes, and then I applied some black liner into my waterline, applied some mascara, and my look was complete. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you are planning to recreate this look, because I would love to know, and also tag me if you do. Again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!